Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about rocket candy experiment. Rocket candy is a type of rocket propellant for model rockets made with sugar as a fuel and containing an oxidizer. The propellant can be divided into three groups of components: the fuel, the oxidizer, and the additives such as sucrose and potassium nitrate. You know, candy is made by dissolving sugar in water or milk to form a syrup, which is boiled until it reaches the desired concentration or starts to caramelize. These ingredients are called sweeteners. New assistant Zooey the fox can find out for candy. Candies can be found in candy stores as you wish. Safety first, always wear your safety goggles as said for about previous experiments. Materials you need is PVC pipes, funnel, wooden stick, hammer, fine powder sucrose, and potassium nitrate. First step, pour the compounds of sugar and potassium nitrate. Then blend into fine pieces of sugar and potassium nitrate. Second step, weigh the contents of sugar and potassium nitrate. That can be 60 grams of potassium nitrate and 40 grams of sugar. Third step, cut the PVC pipe with a length of 5 inches. And then place the pipe vertically on a concrete surface. Fourth step, fill the compounds through a funnel which is placed on top of the PVC pipe. Once the 100-gram compounds is filled into the PVC pipe, stomp it with a wooden stick. This does not spill off. Then fill up the compounds completely and make a nozzle with a thin wooden stick. And final step, place a lighting fuse under the nozzle and ensure it is completely embedded and stick with a long thin rod. Let's wait and watch. The fire goes in as we light up with matchsticks. Why does it happen? Fire reacts with additive compounds, makes a downward thrust to lift off the rocket. The result shows about 28,000 feet in altitude, as compared to the altitude of a commercial airline. The reaction of sugar and nitrate makes heat, and the heat excites the metal filings, causing them to be oxidized and emit light. The ones which we relate to fireworks as discussed earlier, with colorful flashes. So now we have discussed about rocket candy experiment. Like, comment, and subscribe now.